people, how are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing pretty good. So if you read the title, I finally got my Boxycharm. This is the base box, which this is now $25 a month. So if you want to see what I got in the December 2019 base box, and is it any better than last month, then just keep on watching. All right, so I do get this in PR. This is the one I get in PR. And then I do have my own account, which my Boxyluxe was just shipped. I should get that like Friday or Saturday. So when that comes in, I'll unbox that as well. So the past few months, you know, I had my little feelings about Boxycharm. I did see a few spoilers, and it looks like it's going to be a great box. So let's see what variation I got and see, did they improve? Usually December, a lot of the subscription boxes, you know, are usually pretty good. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open her up. And I say this in every video now that they changed. I love the red and white and black. I love those colors together. All right, so the theme for this month is whimsy, right there. And then on the back tells you everything that you have. It lists prices, and I have variation number 3. I don't know what you can see right there. All right, so that's what it looks like. So the first thing that I see, and that I am most excited, I knew this was going to be in here. So this is a palette by Storybook Cosmetics. And I have been wanting to try this brand with eyeshadows for the longest, but the full size is so expensive, I couldn't see myself purchasing this. So I got the Fairy Tales one. I know that there were a few variations, and it looks just like a book. This is going to be great to put. Actually, I keep all my eyeshadow palettes on a bookshelf, so this is going to look so nice. And then you just open it up like that. So you get a mirror, but look at the colors. And I love greens. Guys, that's just gorgeous. All right, let me read up and see what it says. All right, so this would be $35, and it says, inspired by the classic tale, this Storybook mini palette was created exclusively for Boxycharm and is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. And that's very true. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. Guys, this is just gorgeous. So pretty. All right, I'm going to swatch it and see. I wasn't expecting to get this till tomorrow, so I already had my makeup done, and I wanted to put this out. So here is the first 4 shades. Oh, I knew it was getting ready to fall. Let's see. Oh, wow, that brown's pretty good. All right, so there are the first 4 shades. Then we have 2 more. I can't wait to swatch the greens. I love green eyeshadow. Okay. The only thing I can say about this, let me swatch these and I'll tell you what I think about the packaging. Oh, that's pretty. Guys, that is going to look so good together. All right, this is what I don't like. So when you fold it back like this, you see how it's like this? It's kind of would be hard to hold. I mean, I guess not, but it's awkward to hold. And there's no way you can hold it and look at the, you know, I don't know. I don't like that part, but I think it's just so pretty. Love it. All right, and there we go again. So I'm definitely glad I got this one. All right, moving on. So Boxycharm did start where you can pick your own variation, and I did pick this. This is the Saturday Skin. Right there. I'm not sure what you can see because I'm filming during the day. Usually I film at nighttime. And this is so good. Sorry, I got a phone call. I had to answer that. So this is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and I love water creams. And okay, so it has a safety seal, and then that's what it looks like right there. Doesn't really have a scent, which I'm glad. I rather have my, what do you call it, skincare without a scent. Oh, that feels actually pretty good. All right, let's read up a little bit about this. So this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream is $39. All right, definitely excited to get this. Especially, I live in New Jersey and it's snowing today. And so I have combination skin, but in the wintertime, my skin gets a little bit more drying. So I'm glad to get that. All right, the next thing is from Ciate London. This is a marble light. I believe this is a blush. Packaging's really, really pretty. Let's see. I love the Ciate London bronzer. Comment down below. Have you tried their bronzer and do you like it? I don't think I've tried any of their blushes. So Moonlight Dusk, I believe, is the shade name. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So you do have a mirror. Look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, let me use a clean finger. Let's see. Gonna swatch all around. That is right here. That is really, really pretty. I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. That's gorgeous. Love that. How much is this? So this was $26. I mean, right there, this alone pays for the box. All right, two more things. So we have the brow bar. This is a brow makeover kit in the shade medium. I don't know what you guys can see, but that's definitely my shade. And let's see, this is $30. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I just used the NYX eyebrow pencil. What is that, like $7 or $8? So let's see. Yeah, this will definitely work. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not sure what I want to do, but there are the colors right there. And then this looks like a little brow gel. And then you have the little brush to put it on. All right, so that's really nice to get this. And last but not least, this is from Estetica. What is this? What you be? Oh, this is a brush cleanser. I've never tried their brush cleanser. And this would be $12. So what do I think about this month's box? I actually really like it. There's not one thing that I'm like, because I'm glad to try this. I really, really like this month. So let's recap what I got. So this is for variation 3. So you get a brush cleaner. It's a brush cleanser and conditioner. Okay. We get a brow kit. We get a blush from Ciate London. I think I'm most excited about getting I don't know, but this is pretty cool too. I think the Boxy Luxe, you get a full size one. So I think this is pretty cool to get a mini. And it is, what else did we get? Oh, the Saturday Skin. Where did I put that at? Where did they? Oh, right in front of me. And then we got the lotion. I think this is really good. I'll add everything up and put the price right here. So let me know what you guys think. What variation did you get? Did you get, do you get Boxycharm, the base box? Do you get the Boxy Luxe? If so, what variation do you get? And what do you think about Boxycharm? Do you think lately they've been doing pretty good? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'll leave it right here. So make sure you click the link. I'll leave it down below. Click on it, and all you have to do is comment, be subscribed, and rate the video. So either like it, thumbs it up, or thumbs it down to be entered. And make sure you turn that post notification bell on, because you're not getting notifications. And also, to get my notification on my community tab, you have to make sure the bell is turned on. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.